Hey everyone, this is the first I've ever done one of these. I was sent a product for free. I guess that's what being sent a product would mean. A company called Travor Photo Studio sent a 32 by 32 inch Lightbox. They didn't ask for a review, but they did ask to show it in one of my videos, and I figured maybe someone might be interested in shopping for a light that's looking for a Lightbox might be interested in this one, and I figured I'd just do a quick unboxing and assembly type of video. But anyway, this is one of those funny timing things because I was actually shopping for a Lightbox when they sent me the email. The one that I've been using is starting to break down a bit, and then it's smaller than I'd like. I was looking for a larger Lightbox, actually about the same size of this 32 by 32 inch Lightbox. I've used DIY methods before, but I thought I don't know, treat myself to something new. Needless to say, the timing was impeccable. If you're not interested in watching the whole video, the whole unboxing and assembly part, do know that it is worth it in my opinion. It's definitely one of the best Lightbox that I've ever used, and it's a pretty fair price for what it is. So on to the unboxing and assembly of the Travor Photo Studio 32-inch Lightbox. The bag is sturdy and thick feeling with a good zipper. A lot of bags that I've ever bought from like those cheaper products are usually pretty, I don't know, they just break easily. The aluminum poles are lighter than I thought. There's some lights. There's two of them actually. A manual. A diffusion, I think. And these are the backgrounds, which are very heavy and thick. It's a really nice feeling. This is the power adapter. These hold the metal pieces together. The corners. This controls the light and the power cord. The lights have a thin piece of diffusion that you can use, which I just dropped. The housing itself, or whatever you would call it, it's really thick. It feels really, really well made actually. So I am surprised by the cost of this Lightbox, which is I think about $135. It definitely feels and weighs like it's going to last a long time. Now these corners are, ooh, my spidey senses were tingling. Now these corners, there's kind of a thing that you have to do. You have to, I think they're a little tight right now just because it's new, but you have to make sure that these are all the way in. Because if you don't, the housing or the actual reflector piece won't zip very easily. Now I actually kind of misjudged how tall this was going to be. Let's take a little cat break. Now this is the zippers themselves, they feel really thick. So I know they're going to last a while. Now this is what I was talking about. It's hard to zip when it's not, the holes aren't all the way in, and it takes a little bit of time to get it all the way in, but I left it as is, which it wasn't a big deal to me because so far it's already done. It's covered most of the area. And this is generally what it's going to look like. I don't have a lot of room in my apartment, so it takes up a large portion of this area that I use it kind of as an office. Now, you don't really need to keep this flap closed. I actually prefer a front open. But yeah, here's a cat to show you how big it actually is. Now, I didn't show this part, but with the first light, but you could have actually snapped these lights in before you put the housing on. I didn't realize that. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand, but these lights just snap into those poles really easily. And they have a really nice, crisp, like class click thing. And there's this little hole here so you can put the power adapter, the wires through, and these wires, these power the lights. And I didn't actually plan the lighting very well, but you know, this is the first time putting it on together. It snaps in to one end, and then this end snaps into the remote, and this is part of the power adapter itself. And then you just plug in the power adapter to a wall socket. And then this, here I'll undo this. And then this just power dims the light. And it turns it off as well, pretty easy. And this turns on and off. And yeah, here's how it looks like in the inside. It's really nice, bright. And here's what I was talking about. I have those wires sticking out. Now this is really impressive. It's really thick. I don't know what material it is. Feels like vinyl to me, or plastic, but it's really thick. It's not going to rip at all. This is Velcro piece. Will stick against the wall, and it's strong enough to hold this thing. And again, it's really a nice feeling background. And I it rolled up too much, so I kind of just put it onto these pipes, these little metal pieces here to keep it down. And here's just a quick shot of something, just so you know what it would look like. These are my settings. Here's another shot of the cat. And I guess that's it. And the rest is just going to be GG investigating. I really hope this helps someone. I am definitely going to be using this Lightbox a lot. It did take a little bit to assemble this first time, but now that I know how to assemble everything, the next time it's probably going to be really easy. So again, I hope someone finds this useful, and yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.